our rat, Sir Penelope. I'm Katie.
I'm Johanna.
And I'm Kaylee.
We are going to show you all the different body structures,
Muscles,
and veins,
and more we have identified through the process of dissecting Sir Penelope. Next, we are going to show you the muscular system. First, we have the bicep brachii, which is located on the anterior surface of the humerus, and the action it does is flexes the lower arm.
Tricep brachii, located on the sides and back of the upper arms. Its action, extend lower arms.
Next, we have the spinotrapezius, which is located across the dorsal thoracic region of the rat. The action is that it moves the scapula up and backwards. Then we have the latissimus dorsi, which is located on the side of the thigh, in two bundles. The action is it flexes lower leg.
External oblique, located on the sides of the abdomen, and its action is flexes body wall.
Then we have the gluteus maximus, which is located on the lower back and rear. The action is it extends the thigh at the hip. Then we have the pectoralis major and minor, which is located in the chest area, and it adducts the arm, which draws it forward.
This is the gastrocnemius. It is located on the lower leg bulk of the calf muscle. It attaches to the heel by the Achilles tendon, and the action is to extend the foot.
Next, we are going to show you the skeletal system. The bigger bone in the leg right here is called the tibia, and the one that lies behind it is smaller, and it's called the fibula. The bigger bone up here on top of the leg is called the femur. Then when we go to the arm, we have the inside bone, which is the radius, and the outside bone, which is the ulna. And then the bigger bone that connects to the shoulder is called the humerus. And down here in the ankle, we have the Achilles tendon. Now we are going to show you the digestive system. Up here in the throat, we have what's called the esophagus. It pierces the diaphragm and moves food from the mouth to the stomach. It is easiest to locate where it enters the stomach. Next, we have the stomach right here, which is located on the left side under the diaphragm. Functions include food storage, physical breakdown of food, and the digestion of protein. The outer margin of the curved stomach is called the greater curvature. The inner margin is called the lesser curvature. Outside the stomach, right here, we have the small intestines, which is a slender coiled tube that receives partially digested food from the stomach. It consists of three sections. The connective tissue and network of blood vessels that connects the small intestines is called the mesentery, and that is what we cut to get the small intestines outside the body.
This is the liver. It is a dark-colored organ suspended just underneath the diaphragm. The liver has many functions, one of which is to produce bile, which aids in digestion of fat. The liver also transforms waste into lesser harmful substances. The pancreas, which is a brownish flattened gland found in the tissue between the stomach and small intestine. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes that are sent to the intestine via small ducts. The pancreas also secretes insulin, which is important in the regulation of glucose and metabolism. This is the rectum. It is a short terminal section of the colon that leads to the anus. The rectum temporarily stores feces before they are expelled from the body.
Lastly, we'll be showing you the reproductive system. The kidneys, the primary organ of the reproductive system. These organs are large bean-shaped structures towards the back of the abdominal cavity on either side of the spine. Adrenal glands, the small yellowish glands embedded in the fat atop the kidneys. They secrete adrenaline to the blood during times of crisis. Ureter is attached to the kidney and leads to the bladder.
This is the urethra. Sperm is moved from the epididymis to the urethra, which carries the sperm through the penis and out the body. Right here is the urinary bladder. It holds the urine. These are the testes. They are the major reproductive organs of the male rat, and they are located in the scrotal sac. These are the vas deferens. This is the vas deferens. It is a tube that moves from the sperm to the epididymis to the urethra. These are the seminal vesicles. They are lumpy brown glands located on the left and right of the urinary bladder. And lastly, this is the prostate gland. It is a gland below the bladder.
Thank you for watching our video of Sir Penelope.
Now you know where all the body parts are in a rat.